Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Before we get started on my vlog, I wanted to talk about silk pillowcases. I got my silk pillowcase from Lilysilk, and if you haven't heard about Lilysilk before, they are a brand that has all kinds of quality silk products like blouses, pajamas, pillowcases, bedding sets, and they also have stuff for men too. Their products are made from mulberry silk, which has lots of beauty benefits for anti-aging, skin, and hair. Not only is silk soft and smooth, it's lightweight, breathable, absorbs moisture, and is also hypoallergenic, which is very important. With silk being hypoallergenic, bugs do not like silk. Same goes with bacteria and molds. Silk is a natural repellent to dust and allergens, keeping the pillowcase clean. Along with their pillowcase, I got their eye mask as a set. With all the benefits that come with silk, the Lilysilk eye mask provides anti-wrinkle benefits and calms tired eyes. I don't know about you, but when I'm tired, I actually find it harder to fall asleep. But ever since I started using their silk eye mask, going to sleep has been easier. If you're interested in Lilysilk, I will have their website linked in the description. I will also have the pillowcase and eye mask set linked in the description as well. So obviously, as you guys saw, I just made my breakfast. I actually just finished eating my breakfast and I'm just doing some online shopping. I actually just bought a sweatsuit from Zara. I just have been seeing a lot of people wear and buy brown sweatsuits. So now I want a brown sweatsuit. So I got myself a brown sweatsuit. So I'm really happy about that. And the one thing I really like about Zara is that the prices honestly are not that bad at all. And considering how clumsy I am, I really just don't want to spend a lot on an ALYA sweatsuit. So Zara it is for now, and of course when ALYA has a sale I will probably still buy a sweatsuit anyways, but at least it's not at full price, so I don't mind. But as of right now, the Zara one will do. So now I'm on the Sephora app. I do have the family and friends discount, which is 20% off. I don't really need anything, but I do want to buy something just because I have the discount, but I'm really iffy about using it because I don't actually need anything. And I'm trying to be more conscious of how I spend my money. I'm just gonna browse Sephora, you know, I'm gonna give myself a limit of how much I can spend, and that's probably going to be $75. The aftermath of trying to figure out what to wear. This always happens all the time. Everything just comes out. So I just finished getting ready and I'm currently waiting for Renee to pick me up. He went to work for a few hours and we are going to be going out with his parents because it's his dad's birthday, and we are going to be going out for all-you-can-eat Japanese grill. It's like a Korean grill but Japanese, I believe. The place is GOLI, and we actually went there for Renee's birthday and we wanted to take his parents there, and so that's where we are going to be going. I'm going to show you my outfit in a bit. I'm going super casual. I'm going comfy. I honestly did not want to dress up. I'm in sweatpants right now. Legit, that's all I could fit into, and it's kind of sad. And yeah, so I'll show you my outfit right now. So So this is the outfit. This is just a Zara rib top, and then I also have the wide leg sweatpants from Aritzia, and these are the shoes that I'm going to wear. I haven't worn these in a while. I think the last time I wore these were sometime probably 2 years ago. So I'm finally gonna bring them out. If there's one thing I hate, it's going out in the rain. I don't mind the rain if I'm home and not doing anything, but when it starts raining, it irritates me because my hair does not do well in the rain, and obviously I didn't dress for the weather and that's my fault, but I hate the rain. I hate it. so mad. I couldn't even try them out a nice place other than our car,
Well, we can.
I'm mad.
Why don't we try it out here?